Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics YouTube channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to buy UFO gaming token on Gate.io without the gas fees and with very low fees. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And also I want to remind you that this is not financial advice. This is just video tutorial on buying UFO gaming. When things goes to crypto, you should always do your own research and you should be very careful. So if you look at the chart of UFO gaming, it looks fantastic in last few days. The price is pumping. For today we have got about 70% pump, which is great. I think that UFO gaming token has great future and I'm expecting some huge pumps in 2022, and that's why I'm making a video about this token. To buy UFO gaming token on Gate.io, you need to have an account. If you don't have an account, you can just go to sign up link which is in the description. Click this sign up link. There are some bonuses for new users. You can read new user registration, complete beginners tasks, and claim $100 Gate.io points. Trade and claim $5,500 worth of USDTs. Stable and reliable since 2013. Top ranking, trustworthy and transparent. Provides more than 1,000 currencies digital trading assets. So fill all of the gaps with your personal information and sign up on Gate.io. So after you will finish registration process, then you can log into your account. And the next thing we need to do is buy USDT, because to buy UFO gaming we need to swap USDT to it. So first of all, go to buy crypto, choose one of these options. For example, I will choose credit card. In the right gap you should choose USDT and the minimum payment is 30 USD. Here you should choose one of the service providers. I prefer to use Banksa. You can choose any other service providers. For example, MoonPay has got 0 fees at the moment, but I will choose Banksa because they have very good fees. For example, if you are paying 30 USD, you will get 28.28 USDT and the fees are only 60 cents. Check this and go to purchase. So if everything is correct, click create your order and then finalize your payment. After you finalize the payment, then you can check your wallet. So to check your wallet, go to wallet, choose spot account and click it. Here you'll find out your USDT balance. So after you will have USDT on your Gate.io account, then you can buy UFO gaming. So to buy UFO gaming, you should go to trade and spot trading. In the search bar, type UFO and choose UFO gaming token. So in this gap, you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. For example, 100 USDT, and these are the amount of tokens you buy for 100 USDT. So click buy, enter your fund pass and finalize the payment. So after you will buy UFO gaming, after a few minutes you can check your wallet, go to spot account, and here you will see your UFO gaming token. So that's all. That's very simple. Everyone can make it. Also, I want to suggest you to continue using Gate.io, especially if you're a beginner. This is the best platform to start trading. And it's very simple. They have easiest platform, they have great chart, also they have NFT marketplace. So I suggest you to stay on Gate.io and hold tokens on Gate.io. That's all I want to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.